Hi guys, so it's early morning and today we're going to be laying some bricks on that extension. So hopefully we'll get a bit brighter soon. It's a bit dark at the minute. I'll see you on the job. I've got enough to run them all, haven't I? I'll just run this one in like and then. Few bent bricks, they're all the same. I've got 3 packs and every one of them's bent. But to be fair, they look alright when they're on. Anyway, let's crack on and get some brickwork done. So that's it guys for this one. We've got it up to wall plate height. I haven't got the gables on or the brick on edge of top at door, but it's going to chuck it down for the next few days, so I think we're just going to crack on and do the roof. I'll finish the gables off them when it's dry. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe. Why not, eh? I'll see you in the next one.